below, we want to have our tags or food tags, and then we can have our price. So what we can do, we can put this image and this information that we have here in a row, right? And then we can have another item inside of a row again. So we're going to put this as one component of a row, and we're going to put price as the second component of that row. But first we need to put this flat list. We want to put food tags right below our rating. So we need to go to food page, copy this, and then we come back right after our rating. We're going to have this flat list. So we need to make sure that we import the flat list. We have edit to use. Okay, we have food tags here. So we should be able to access them. Light white, not really. Let's go with black. Okay, so light white will do. We just need to go ahead and copy the style. So we have this tags style. We need to go ahead and get it from this page and paste it here. We get a lot of tags. Okay, so we're just going to display 4. So we just need to slice the list and display 3 or 4 components depending on the size. Margin top, let's give it a 5. The padding remains the same, but we need to have a margin bottom like that. So we're done with that part. So what we need to do, we need to have our price, because if it is a food item, we have to show the price somehow. So we're going to make it suspended. So we can close this. We can put it anywhere though, like inside of this view. So let's go ahead, have another view. Inside of the view, we're going to have a text. Let's have a text first so that we can see how best we can position the component. Okay, so here we need to add style. We need to manipulate the position. So the position has to be absolute. Okay, so we need to push it to the right. Okay, to the right, we're going to give it let's give it a 0 for starters. It's 0. Like that. Let's go ahead, give it a background color. Let's give it border radius. We're going to give it a border radius of 12. We're going to give it a top. Let's give it 1, maybe 2. Yeah, okay. So we're going to go with 5, 5. To the right, we're going to give it a 5. And to the top, we're going to give it a 5 as well. Let's change this color to a primary color. Let's go with primary 1. Primary would do. Yeah, okay. So everything that we're going to do next, we're going to do it in our text. So in our text is supposed to be our price. So we're going to access the item and we're going to get the price like that. And we need to give this a style. So we're going to use an existing style. We're going to use the same as the one that we used for our title. So we need to access our styles and we need to get the title. But we need to change the color. You just need to override the color. We're going to go with light white. Let's add a $sign and let's add a little bit of margin. Is it margin horizontal? Let's give it a 5. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that would do. That would do. Okay. So if you want to change the colors, you can go ahead and change the colors. So this same list is the same that we're going to have in our new. So basically that means we're almost done. We're almost done. Okay. So if we press, we're supposed to be taken to the other page. So here we need to change this to a touchable opacity. Let's take care of it. Touchable opacity. Make sure that this touchable opacity is imported right on top. So we're going to have our touchable opacity right here, and we need to replace this with the touchable opacity. So we need on press. On press, we're supposed to navigate. Not navigate. Here we're going to use on press. Let's use show details. Okay, like that. So we go to the menu. Here we're going to go with show details. So for show details, we're going to use navigation to navigate to the food page. Yeah, okay. So here might be a little bit, I forgot a little bit, but let's go ahead and check how we're navigating to our food. So we need to go to new food lists. Okay, this is how we're navigating and we're passing in item. So that's what we need to do here. Okay, good. So we're done with this part. We can do the same for the other page because they're literally the same. The stream of data is going to be different, but whatever they're going to return inside is going to be the same. Okay, so here we can just copy everything and go to this new, and let's paste. We need to import, use navigation. Okay, and we need to use contexts. We need to import this restaurant context. We also need to import the flight lists. Okay. No, something else is missing. Oh, this is not a flat list, but anyways, it's supposed to be a FoodTile, and we need our data. Okay, same data. If we click, same effect. So okay, so we're done with this part. Next, our profile. Our profile is going to be provided. What we need to do is just to have the right data to our profile. So let me walk you through the profile. The profile, login, and sign up page, they're going to be provided. So don't worry about coding. You just need to go through the code somehow. So let's see. Our sign up page is going to be provided. We have it here. And our login page is going to be provided as well. So just need to get rid of this.